Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2022 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the XTR Package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get lovely chrome accents. You got rear park sensing, backup camera, mud flaps on the rear and front. We got a bed camera as well, keyless entry keypad, trailer tow mirrors with blind spot detection, mud flaps on the front, side view camera as well with a black hood deflector, recovery hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, carpet interior, cup holders and storage, rear vents, 12-volt, all your outlet necessities, that floor mat, and of course, a split folding rear bench seat. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, spotlights, lights, tailgate, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 55,585 kilometers. We got this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. We got a digital speedometer right here with My View, trip and fuel, truck info, towing, phone, audio, and other settings. Taking a look to my right here, we got tons of storage, cup holders, more storage underneath, USB and USB-C. You got your center console as well with tons of storage. We do get drive modes, rear locking diff, and four-wheel drive with trailer brake, pro trailer assist with heated front seats, dual climate, 12-volt and 120, storage above, below, and on the dash with a lovely powered rear window opener. We got a 360 view of your vehicle, hazards, hill and traction, media controls, audio with AM, FM, Bluetooth, phone controls. Your fave apps will be found in here, such as messaging, email, towing. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is ED65949B, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.